Caterpillars are the larval stage of butterflies, known for their insatiable appetite and rapid growth. Though they may look simple, caterpillars undergo an incredible transformation during their life cycle. In this video, we'll be looking at a diagram that shows each stage of a caterpillar's development. How many days is a butterfly's life cycle? The life cycle of a butterfly typically lasts between 30 to 50 days. However, it's important to note that this duration can vary significantly depending on several factors. These factors include the specific species of butterfly, environmental conditions such as temperature and humidity, and the availability of food resources like nectar and plants for egg laying. Some species of butterflies may have a shorter life cycle of just a few weeks, while others may take several months to complete their life cycle. For example, the monarch butterfly, known for its long migrations, has a life cycle that can last around 40 days under favorable conditions. In contrast, the red admiral butterfly, which has a wide distribution across Europe and Asia, can complete its life cycle in as little as 30 days. Environmental factors play a crucial role in determining the length of a butterfly's life cycle. Temperature significantly affects the development and growth rate of butterflies. They are cold-blooded creatures whose body temperature depends on the surrounding environment. During warmer months and in warmer climates, butterflies can develop and reproduce more quickly. However, in colder regions or during cooler seasons, their life cycle can be significantly extended. Additionally, the availability of flowering plants and suitable host plants for egg laying also influences the duration of the life cycle. Butterflies require nectar and plant-based foods for sustenance, and the abundance and diversity of these resources impact their population dynamics and survival. Overall, while the typical life cycle of a butterfly ranges from 30 to 50 days, it's essential to consider the influence of species, temperature, humidity, and food availability when examining specific cases. What are the stages of the butterfly life cycle? A butterfly goes through 4 main stages in its life cycle: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Each stage is unique and serves a vital role in the butterfly's development. Egg. The life of a butterfly begins as a tiny egg, typically laid on the underside of leaves or stems of plants. The eggs are often laid in clusters, and the female butterfly carefully selects plants that will serve as food for the caterpillars that hatch from the eggs. The eggs are small and smooth and come in various colors ranging from white to yellow to green, providing camouflage against predators. The duration of the egg stage varies depending on the species and environmental factors, usually lasting between 4 to 14 days. Larva. Upon hatching from the egg, the caterpillar emerges as a larva. This stage is characterized by significant growth and development. Caterpillars spend most of their time eating and storing energy for the upcoming pupation process. As they grow, they shed their skin multiple times, allowing for expansion. Caterpillars have chewing mouthparts adapted for consuming large quantities of vegetation. They eat voraciously, increasing in size until they reach their full larval stage. The duration of the larval stage varies depending on the species and environmental conditions, typically lasting between 10 to 20 days. However, some species may take longer to reach their full size. Pupa. Once the caterpillar has reached its full size, it enters the pupa stage, also known as the chrysalis stage. Prior to pupation, the caterpillar stops feeding and seeks a suitable location for pupating, such as a leaf or twig. It then forms a chrysalis around itself, which serves as a protective covering during the pupal stage. Inside the chrysalis, remarkable transformations occur as the caterpillar's body undergoes metamorphosis, developing wings, legs, antennae, and other adult features. During this stage, the body of the caterpillar breaks down and reorganizes into the adult butterfly form. The pupal stage can last anywhere from 7 to 20 days, with some species taking longer to metamorphose. Environmental factors such as temperature and humidity can influence the duration of this stage. Adult butterfly. After the metamorphosis is complete, the adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. Initially, the butterfly's wings are soft and crumpled, but they quickly expand and dry, becoming strong and flexible. Once its wings are ready, the butterfly takes flight, seeking nectar and plants for feeding and reproduction. Adult butterflies have slender bodies and large, often brightly colored wings. They possess long proboscis, a straw-like mouthpart used for sipping nectar from flowers. Butterflies play a crucial role in pollination as they transfer pollen from one flower to another while feeding. The lifespan of an adult butterfly varies depending on the species and can range from a few weeks to several months. Some butterflies, such as the monarch butterfly, undertake long migrations, traveling hundreds of miles each year. Other fascinating facts about butterflies. Butterflies are found on every continent except Antarctica. There are over 17,500 species of butterflies worldwide. They are closely related to moths, both belonging to the order Lepidoptera. Butterflies have a unique ability to taste with their feet. Their feet are sensitive and allow them to detect the quality of the plant surfaces they land on. Butterflies can help indicate environmental health. Their presence and abundance in an ecosystem can signal a healthy environment. Some butterflies, such as the monarch butterfly, are considered indicators of environmental change due to their sensitivity to habitat destruction and pesticide use. We hope you enjoyed learning about the amazing life cycle of a butterfly from egg to adult. Thanks for watching. See you next time.